Press the On key to bring up the app grid. Arrow across to the icon that shows a small system of equations. The bar along the top names it System Solver. If this icon is missing from your grid, you'll need to reinstall the operating system. The guide for that is linked in the description. Press Enter to open it up, and it starts you on a setup screen. This is where you set the number of equations and unknowns. 2 of each is already selected, which is what we want, so leave it. So press Next, which is the graph key. Those 5 labels along the bottom of the screen belong to the 5 keys in the top row. This is the grid where the equations go, and we'll solve the 2 at the top of the screen. Start by typing 2 for the first x and press Enter. The highlight jumps across to the sign. The signs between the terms are boxes of their own, and they take the plus and minus keys. Ours is a plus, so press plus and then Enter. Type 3 for the y and press Enter. Then 12 for the total and press Enter. Okay, now the second equation. Type 1 for its x and press Enter. This sign is a minus, so press the subtraction key, not the negative key, and then Enter. Type 1 for the y and press Enter. Then 1 for the total, and Enter. That's both equations in. Now choose Solve by pressing the graph key again. The answer comes back on its own screen. X is 3 and Y is 2. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.